Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And see guys, yesterday I explained that this would be our resistance zone. Okay, I didn't clear the diagrams. You can see this is a resistance zone and this is a support zone, which I explained yesterday's video. Okay, and today also I had updated in Telegram. Wait for the breakout of this resistance. Okay, we had a break and see even we had a break here, we didn't took up the trade because there is no confirmation sign here. Okay, there is no confirmation sign that market can go upside. Okay, there is no confirmation here. And again, if you see uh, the here breakout, but there is no confirmation sign here. That's why we didn't trade it at these breakouts. Okay, and where we traded, if you see here, we got a good breakout at these levels. This is our breakout and we took up the trade actually. If you see RR ratio, our stop losses is below this level, and because this is a we have a high consolidation in this area, and target is these levels. Sorry, position is around 21800, these levels. Let me open 5-minute chart. I will show you. We took up the trade after the confirmation only. Okay, at this we took up the trade at these levels, somewhere around 21895, and stop loss is below this candle. Okay, and if you see our target is these levels. I didn't change anything. On what basis I took a target is, you can see we have a support here. That's why I took a chance of this trade and I kept this below, somewhat below. Then see, this is a complete range. Let me draw this. See, in this range we have a support, but I don't want to take a chance. That's why I kept below this first levels. Okay, on the first levels only I kept the target, and I got 1:5 ratio profit, around 1:6 ratio profit. That was a nice profit, and I had updated in Telegram. If you're not joined in Telegram, you can join, link in the description. And I'm not providing any calls to buy these calls, and I'm just giving the suggestions to my traders in my Telegram. You can join, it's free for everyone. And see, Bank Nifty now it's completely in uh, resistance zone. Let me draw the rectangle. See, this is the zone where we have a resistance point. Let me delete. This is the zone, and if you go to 15-minute chart, see here, this is a resistance zone, and now completely it can be no it can be halt here at this position, because it is in after this huge bullish. It can be halt for some time. Okay, and if you open a 1 minute one day time frame, see, this is a 1 day time frame. See, after this support it went up. Okay, but if you see Nifty, Nifty is strong. If it made new high compared to previous levels, and Bank Nifty is not even crossed. You can see here it is not made high, but Nifty is somewhat strong than Bank Nifty. And what we have to observe here, if the market let me open the 15-minute time frame. See here, my Bank Nifty is in complete range, resistance point. Okay, here I am expecting, if market is opened above these levels. Okay, if market is opens above these levels, it can be sideways market with this support, sorry, resistance of these levels. Let me be this is a resistance zone. Let me clear all the diagrams so that we can be very clear about this. This is our resistance point, this is our resistance zone, and support will be these levels. This is our support zone. Okay, if market is opened above these levels, it can be sideways in between these, or else if it is opened below these levels, if it is market opened here, it can be, this is becomes a resistance point, and support will be these levels. Our support will be, this is the supporting level, and it can be inside this range. Okay, plan accordingly. If it is opened below this resistance line, let me change the color so that you can be very easy to identify this. Point out the levels 22102 to around 22,100. If it is open above this trend line, we can expect a good bullish with the support of 2 to 110. Okay, and if it is open below this trend line, with the support of 21850 around, and we can plan accordingly. Okay, this is a Bank Nifty levels for tomorrow, and if you want the intraday levels, you can join our Telegram. If you comes to Nifty, if you see Nifty had crossed, I already told it can break. See, I didn't change the drawings also. If it is breaks these levels, we can expect a sideways market at this range, inside this range, and it breaks these levels also. I told you to plan a price action trade after this break, and it made the new high above this rectangle. Here you can see this is a consolidation area for tomorrow, and this would be our support zone. Let me delete this. This is our support zone for tomorrow. Supporting levels are this one, 11370. Okay, these are our supporting levels, and we can trade accordingly. If it is open above these levels, we'll sit for buying. If it is open below these levels, we'll sit for selling side with the support and resistance of this line. Okay, 11370. And if you like this video, don't forget to like. If you want to know about any stocks, you can comment in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this video.